Greetings and welcome. Welcome, beautiful souls. Welcome back to the Sweet Spot, where science meets soul. I'm Dr. Derek Sweet, your board-certified sports and performance psychiatrist, and we are riding that midweek momentum with our Win It All Wednesday performance poem. As you know from yesterday, which was Take Action Tuesday, and Monday, Making Moves Monday, we have been just sharing poems, pleasant words to stimulate our brains to secrete powerful neurotransmitters like dopamine and norepinephrine, and also hormones in the body like cortisol to keep us motivated and really making a connection between words and our physiology. How cool is that? So we find ourselves in Win It All Wednesday, and now we need to get a poem going. So guess what? You know what's beautiful? What's beautiful about Wednesday is that it's the pivot point. It's the pivot point where champions separate themselves from the pack. And that's who you are today. You are a winner. You are a champion, and you will separate yourself from the pack. That's what you do. So let me drop today's power poem for you. Win it all. Raise up the stakes. This is how a champion breaks. Through the middle, through the doubt. Show them what you're all about. Midweek grind, turn pure gold flow. Every move you make, a power glow. Win it all, you're not holding back. You've got that victory, you're on track. Winning Wednesday. It's the wisdom that lights the way as your greatness claims the day. Winning all that you can see, this is how you set your dreams free. How beautiful is that? Amen. All right, beautiful souls, this is your Wednesday warrior moment. Your time to turn that midweek energy into unstoppable momentum. Don't let anything stop you. I don't care what you're facing. You can do this. You're a winner. It's Win It All Wednesday. Whether you're pushing through practice, whether you're closing a deal, maybe you're rearranging your house or leveling up your game. Whatever you're doing, maybe you're just on the grind. I don't care. You can do it. You've got this. Today is about winning it all, and that's what champions do. And remember, when you win it all, you become it all. All right, now, this is Dr. Sweet. See you tomorrow for another dose of the Sweet Spot Soul Medicine that we're doing here all week. How's that hitting? If it's hitting you right, join me on TikTok, join me on X, join me on YouTube, wherever you want to look for me. Maybe even on LinkedIn. I'm on LinkedIn too, so I'm on most of those platforms. Come find me and let's talk.